How to repay Cash Express. Cash Express is a financial service provider that offers short-term loans like payday and title loans, along with services such as check cashing, money transfers, and bill payments. They help people without needing a traditional bank account. First, download Cash Express application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account. On the personal loan dashboard, tap Pay Now, and then select your preferred online payment channel. Tap Pay From to select the account you wish to pay from. Select the account you wish to pay from. Input the amount you wish to repay to. Tap Continue to proceed. Confirm that all the details are correct and tap Confirm. Input your PIN. That's it. Thanks for watching.